In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to upload giant square photos on Instagram. So let's get started right away. So this is super easy and we need to have an app for this. It's called Griddy. It's right here and it's totally free on the App Store. So we can just basically, download it and open it up. And right here, you can either just take a photo and it immediately works, or we can use a photo from our Photos app, as you can see right here on the left. So I'm just gonna choose this one real quick, and we can actually mess with these settings as well, so it fits like your resolution of your picture. And if you have chosen the right one you want, then just click on next, and then right here you would just want to click on save, and it says 1, 2, 3, 4, up to 9, and that is basically the order of the photos you want to post your photos in. So we're just going to click on save, and it says would you like to give access to your photos, and you just have to click OK, or else they can save it to your photos. So just click on done. And now that we have saved it to our photos, we can go to the Instagram app. We can click on the plus icon, and right here it is already in the right order, but we basically just want to post them all one by one. So just like this, click on share, then this one, click on share, and just like that. So I'm just going to fast forward this real quick. And as you can see, we have now uploaded the giant square photo on our Instagram, just like that. It's super easy. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.